Hot Cross Buns! Hot Cross Buns, come on, let's play. Pretend bakery time today. Mix it up and roll the dough. Bake some buns and watch them glow. Clap your hands and sing with me. Tap your feet, 1, 2, 3. If you're having fun, hit like today and subscribe so we can sing and play. Woo-hoo! Bakery time. Hot cross buns, warm and sweet. Pretend bakery is such a treat. Stir, stir, stir the bowl around. Make a yummy baking sound. Roll the dough, roll it round. Plop it softly on the ground. Make a bun and make one more. Let's make plenty for our store. Mix it up. Let's go! Hot cross buns, decorate. Make them fancy, make them great. Add some berries, red and blue. Sprinkle stars and frosting too. Drizzle here and drizzle there. Put a little frosting everywhere. Big bun, small bun, round bun too. Pick your favorite one to choose. Yum, yum! Pretend only. Ding, ding, the bakery's open wide. Come on in and step inside. Can I get a bun, please? Sure thing, says the baker with ease. One for you and one for me. Share a bun with family. Pack them up and make a stack. Put the yummy buns in a snack bag. Here you go! Thanks a bunch! Hot cross buns, hooray, hooray! We made a bunch of buns today. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Baking time was super sweet. Pass one over, pass one back. Pretend picnic on the snack mat. Take a bow and shout woo-hoo! Hot cross buns for me and you. Yay! We did it! Hot cross buns, warm and sweet. What a fun pretend play treat.